Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix social login not working on an app. The first and foremost thing that you can try and do is switch between your Wi-Fi and mobile data network to see if it is a connection issue. The other thing that you can try and do is toggle airplane mode on and off on your device to see if the connection issue still persists. The other thing that you can do is head over to settings, tap on apps, tap on see all apps. For now I'm going to be demonstrating with Clash Royale, so I'm going to be tapping on Clash Royale, tap on storage and cache, and then clear storage and clear cache of Clash Royale. But do remember that if you've not linked your gamer account to any social apps, this may completely delete your game data. So what you can do instead is head over to the app drawer and search for Clash Royale in the search bar, long press on it, hit uninstall and reinstall it from the Play Store, and then try to relink your account, and then try to relink your social account to the app. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.